Storms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Apple Watch Series 7 for Visible Wireless. So Visible is now selling the Apple Watch Series 7. So yeah, this is pretty cool. So it's available in 8 colors. So all 8 colors are currently available. So that's really good. You guys have the choice of 41 millimeters or 43 or 45 millimeters. That is. Your watch band is a Midnight Sports band, and that's the only one that comes with it there. There's the Series 7 right there. It looks very nice. The screen, I think, looks a bit taller than the Series 6, I believe. But that's just me personally. I do like the kind of like the weird watch face here that they're showing here. It's pretty weird and interesting at the same time. So like I said, you guys have 8 colors to choose from. You guys have Midnight Aluminum, Starlight Aluminum, Green Aluminum. It kind of looks black here, but it's actually green. Blue Aluminum, Red Aluminum, Silver Stainless Steel, Gold Stainless Steel, and Graphite Stainless Steel. Alright, I think the Graphite Stainless Steel one looks very nice as well too. The stainless steel ones look very nice in my opinion. But you have the option of 8 colors. They're all currently available, so that's very nice. So you guys have your watch, your screen here. You have your wheel to turn into different options and stuff like that. This is your button right here. There's your little wheel there. The Series 7, it has more screen area. I think it's taller than the Series 6. It kind of looks like it there. It has crack resistant front crystal, so the screen is harder to crack. Well, I'm sure that the screen can crack, but it's a lot harder to music right from your wrist. So you can play music from your smartwatch. So that's pretty cool. You also have faster charging, and you have motivation to move. So like fitness trackers and stuff like that. So it's very nice. It comes with the watch face itself, the sport band, and the charging puck as well. So yeah, it's available now for $21 a month or $5 full retail price there. And I suggest you guys get a protection plan for your Apple Watch, because it's better to be safe than sorry. So it says here, enjoy peace of mind knowing you're covered. Not available in all states. Alright. Says here, the largest, most advanced, always on retina display yet makes everything you do with your Apple Watch Series 7 bigger and better. Series 7 is the most durable Apple Watch ever built, with an even more crack resistant front crystal. Advanced features let you measure your blood oxygen level, take an ECG anytime, send access mindfulness. Sand access, mindfulness, and sleep tracking apps. You can also track dozens of workouts, including new Tai Chi and Pilates. So that's really cool. There's your dimensions there. I wish it was in inches and 7 millimeters, so kind of sucks, but whatever. It has there's your weight there. Connectivity options has GPS and cellular. This one has GPS on it. Processor is a S7 SIP with 64-bit dual-core processor, 32 gigabytes of storage. Faster charge time. I don't know what that. I know what that means. That it has faster charging time. Water resistant, swim proof, up to 50 meters. Additional features include a digital crown with haptic feedback, blood oxygen sensor, electrical heart sensor, and third generation optic heart sensor, high and low heart rate notification, irregular heart rhythm notification as well. If you guys want to learn more about the Apple Watch Series 7, learn more about it and get more specs on it, click the link below and it will take us to the Apple website. Alright. Alright. So there is the Apple Watch Series 7, now available at Visible Wireless. So if you guys are looking to get an Apple Watch on prepaid, Visible has you covered with that. So check it out. It's available now in all 8 colors. They're all in stock right now, so it's very nice. And it's available for $21 a month or $504 for retail price. So yeah, I think the Series 7 is the newest smartwatch from Apple. I believe this is the newest Apple Watch, I believe, from Apple. This is the newest one, I believe. So that's really nice. So y'all, yeah, there you guys have it. Apple Watch Series 7, now available at Visible Wireless. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.